Athanasian Creed, Episode 15. Ita ut per omnia sicutiam supra dictum est, et unitas in trinitate, et trinitas in unitate, veneranda sit, qui vult ergo salvus esse, ita de trinitate sentiat. Thus, as in all things ut per omnia, just as has been stated, dictum est above, supra, et unitas in trinitate, et trinitas in unitate, both the unity in Trinity and the Trinity in unity, veneranda sit, must be worshipped, must be venerated. Veneranda sit is an independent subjunctive. It is from the verb venero, venerare, the first conjugation. Here we have the periphrastic, that is the gerundive form, that is the verbal adjective that's passive, the gerundive, and then we have sit, which is a form of esse in the subjunctive. It's an independent subjunctive, a usive, giving a kind of command. Thus, as in all things, just as has been said above, the unity must be worshipped in Trinity, and the Trinity in unity. The one who, that's qui, we might understand it as is qui, but it's common in Latin to begin a clause with a relative. The one who wishes, therefore, to be saved, salvus esse, let him think or believe thus, ita, concerning the Trinity. So the main verb in this sentence is sentiat, which is a third singular, present, subjunctive active, from the fourth conjugation verb sentire. It also is an independent subjunctive like sit. It's a usive giving a command. Let him think, let him feel, perceive, in this way, meaning everything that's gone before, concerning the Trinity. And now we ask, what is the subject of sentiat? The subject of sentiat is this clause, qui through esse. So the one who wishes to be saved, let that person think or perceive sentiat. Now within this qui clause, the subject of vult, the verb, is qui, which is masculine singular and nominative. The one who wishes. Vult is the third singular from the irregular verb velle, and esse then connects qui and salvus. Qui and salvus then are both masculine singular and nominative.